Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So Capricorn, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your partner, what your current energies are and what your mutual energies are. Let's begin. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to receive the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, we're going to start with our angel blessing card and see how the angels will bless this reading with an advice, message, guidance, or a blessing. My angels, for Capricorn, please. This one. Okay, let's put this card here, Capricorn. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Capricorn, is forgiveness. So either you have to forgive yourself for being too hard on yourself, or maybe you need to forgive your partner, vice versa. Let's see why this card is here for you today. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your love and support to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you, Capricorn, to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, Cappies, let me explain this. I'll be setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. For the duration of the reading, Cappies, I will be mentioning this side is person A, this side is person B. Now, you will know which side you are on, right? And in the center, here are your mutual energies. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So there's some final decisions to be made here, Capricorn. That's the overall energy of this read. Let's see what's going on. Let's start with the energies of person A. Queen of Swords in reverse. Very, very angry, wanting to end something, or maybe something has come to an end. Needing to make a decision about a committed relationship which may not be looking that great right now, wanting to come out of something. Let's see person B. Temperance in reverse, King of Swords, Nine of Swords, the Chariot, the Fool, and the Nine of Wands. Let's take some dialogue message cards here between the two of you, Capricorn. Let's see if there's something that you could say to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying the cards. So, Capricorn and their person, spirit, if they had something to say to each other now. Capricorn and their person. Let's take a few more from here. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. So the first card I have here for you is, I knew you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allow it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. That sounds like the Queen of Swords here, saying, hey, I'm angry and I'm upset, so don't try and fix me. I've already found my light. What if you thought you could break me, you haven't. I'm too strong for that. Next card says, you were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that you are all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. So maybe at that point, maybe when this thing didn't work or whatever, your partner maybe didn't feel good enough for you, and they were shocked that this could even be there, or you felt the same way. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do with you. Okay, but it doesn't look as bad, at least from the message cards, it doesn't look that bad. The next three cards are also quite nice. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. I want to welcome you into my family. You are half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I ever think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. So this could be, I think there's a need for forgiveness here. I don't think it's that bad. Maybe you guys had a fight regarding something and some decisions now have to be made. So what happened here, Spirit, with person A? Why is the Queen of Swords so angry here? Because somebody maybe didn't give you the offer on time, Page of Cups in reverse, right? So somebody maybe didn't come forward with an apology or a sorry or a love offer, and I think person A took it to heart and thought, hey, it's over, right? It's too, like I'm feeling defeated, maybe this person doesn't want to commit to me or something strange like that, and that made person A very angry. Though heart of heart, I think they did want to celebrate with person B. They did want to reconcile, but certain things have happened which have kind of messed this relationship at the moment, right? Some bad memories have been created between the two of you. So what's this Three of Cups now, Spirit? Three of Cups. Three of Cups. Maybe there was a third party in situation, or at least that's how maybe one person portrayed it to person A. Maybe person B portrayed that they were seeing other people, or they wanted to see other people, or they wanted to go out and party and be doing what they wanted to do. That made for person A feel very ungrounded and very angry, very upset, very betrayed. And they thought that, hey, that means you don't want to commit to me and you don't want to work together with me. But this was actually this person just being emotionally distant, because I think they don't have very good communication skills. They maybe sound cutting and rude and harsh, even though I don't think they'd want that now. Yes, the Queen of Swords is in reverse again. Now I think that little bit of trust is lost because of the memories that are created now with this harsh communication maybe between the two of you is kind of spoiled things between you, right? Somebody does want to make a decision right now, and maybe person A was in a hurry. Maybe they were in a rush that, hey, make a decision now. You have to choose now. Why aren't you choosing me? Why aren't you committing to me? And I feel stuck that things are not moving along in a manner that I want them to. I want to announce to the world that we are together. I want you to meet my friends and family. And I don't think that proposal came, right? So I think person A, who I think is the feminine, got very angry, got very upset, and they kind of turned their back on person B, thinking that there is no chance of reconciliation or a long-term partnership. They didn't want person B to keep secrets from them. That was the biggest issue. Maybe there were secrets between the two of you. Maybe person B could not speak out on time because maybe they didn't feel good enough for you at that point. Maybe they were shocked that you really did want a long-term partnership with you, person A, but you are under the impression that they didn't want to. They don't like you enough to commit to you. But heart of hearts, I think you do want a reconciliation with them. You do want to come out of this stuck position that you may have put yourself in, or this situation may have put you in, of this anger and upset and not trusting them. Yes, you want to come out of this regret and sorrow and of how things didn't work out in the past here, Capricorn. What's this? Yes, you just want somebody to choose. You just want somebody to choose and say, hey, tell me once and for all, are we in or are we out? Okay, so if we are in, I'm excited to, go out there and declare it. And if not, then that means you don't care for me. You don't want to be with me for long term here. Yeah, person A just wants to leave all these troubled times behind and move to a calm place with their partner here. So that's how a person A is. Let's see person B. Person B is realizing that things have become a little imbalanced now. They feel whatever they did has totally backfired on them. They are also not happy at the moment. They are emotionally very, very unhappy. They want to have communication with person A. They want to make things right once again. King of Swords with the Justice card, right? So you could also be dealing with a Libra maybe, because King of Swords is an air sign and Justice is the Libra card. But it could be anyone else either. So this person who is showing up as the King of Swords in reverse here, maybe they didn't, or they said something which hurt person A, right? But now person B does want to kind of have this clear communication. They want to bring back justice because now they're realizing things have become very, very out of balance and they are very stressed out. Yes, they're stressed out because they feel, oh my God, I hope my person hasn't lost their love for me now. I hope I haven't done something that wrong that, this love is lost from my life. They are worrying that things have totally come to a halt here. So, Nine of Swords energy, Spirit. Why are they in the Nine of Swords? Yes. They are stuck. They are totally stuck. They don't know how to come towards person A anymore. They don't know how to make any forward movement towards person A anymore. They are fearing that this relationship has come to a screeching halt. Okay, they are very worried about this. They can't sleep at night. They are overthinking it. Not overthinking, but they are worrying about it big time. They want to have a fresh new beginning also. Okay, so Taurus, Capricorn, if this is you, then your partner is as excited or as wanting to forgive and forget and end the fight if possible and have a restart with you. So what's this Fool card, Spirit? What do they want to do with the Fool card? They want to come and reveal what were the reasons that they behaved in such a manner, or speak about why they behaved in a selfish manner, why they were not giving to the dynamic in a equal way. They do have a lot of love though. They know maybe this person was not ready to commit. Okay, maybe this person was not ready to commit at that point, and they were being a little mischievous here with playing around with words. So they didn't have to come to that point where they had to commit immediately. They know that you are their soulmate. They know that they love you very much, but maybe they had a moment of weakness here where they were not sure how to bring balance to this proposal that you wanted, right? Person A wanted. So I think this was just being a little immature, nothing else from what I feel. Nine of Wands, Spirit. Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. I think they were just trying to emotionally manipulate this Empress, and that's why they didn't send that message, or else they said something which was not correct. But they do see you as the Empress, which is a good thing, right? They want to be your Emperor. They do want to be your Emperor. They want to be the Emperor to the Empress, that's for sure. And what's this Nine of Wands, Spirit, in reverse? Nine of Wands. They're very embarrassed to come and speak to you, person A. Right now, they're feeling like a loser, to be honest. They're feeling embarrassed, ashamed. They do want to end this fight. They do want you to put your guard down. But right now, they are foggy in their head as to how I can make this work and what can I say. And they don't have the words to have that clear communication, which they want to have. They do want to have communication. They want to put things right. They know that you're their empress. They know that you're their soulmate. There is love here. But right now, this person is feeling that they've lost it. They've lost the love. You will never love them again. You will never speak to them again. And that's what's kind of keeping them at bay here. So maybe you have to forgive them. Even if it's energetic, send out that vibe that, hey, it's all right, I forgive you. And if not, then it's absolutely up to you. Right now, Two of Cups is in reverse, the Emperor is upright, and the Five of Pentacles is there, right? So, Two of Cups, Spirit, in their mutual energy. Both of you not feeling that your wishes are coming true, both feeling very stuck at the moment, right? Both are feeling that I've lost my soulmate here. There's a feeling of stuckness and feeling, will my wishes ever come true also or not? Okay, so both are feeling the loss of this beautiful connection here. Somebody needs to take back control here with the Emperor energy. What's this, Spirit? Yes. Somebody needs to do the right thing here, Capricorn. Somebody needs to take back control and offer that commitment, I think. You both know it because you're both not happy without the other person. But it's the issue of forgiving and, kind of putting your guard down or forgiving the other person or just ending a fight. So right now, I don't think it's over. Right now, you're still both kind of feeling left out and abandoned, having to make a decision here. This decision card has come out 2-3 times now because things have totally stagnated at the moment. Yes, somebody wants to take some quick action and come and maybe just fight for you maybe and try and say something to heal broken hearts here, but they're coming in a Knight of Swords energy, which is a bit dangerous, right? So you may misinterpret it again as being harsh or being aggressive or something, but actually it's coming from a place of fear, coming from a place of let me make this right now or I'm going to lose my person kind of a thing. If they do manage to come, but right now, because I'm seeing, I don't think they have the confidence right now. The only way they'll get motivated to rush in is because they feel that they are losing the love of their partner now. The Queen of Cups is no longer going to be available to give them that love. And that's going to be the driving force, I think, to get, person B to make this decision. Yes, I do feel they can arrive very soon, Capricorn. The Knight of Wands is here and the Knight of Swords is here. This is a very, very passionate and quick communicative kind of energy. They want to rush in before they lose their partner completely. They know they have to make a decision. They don't like being left out in the cold and abandoned by you. They want to put an end to this conflict. But right now, to have this reunion, they need strength. Right? To come back to even offer this reconciliation, somebody needs some strength right now. Now, it depends on your personal circumstances, Capricorn. Will this person find that strength? Will they be able to come towards you? Would you want to wait that long? I think you do, because you also do care for this person. You're just angry with them. So whatever it is, the answer would be make a decision here. Make a decision here. You have to forgive each other. Right now, the Wheel of Fortune is stuck till one or both of you can come forward with that apology, right? So don't let fear keep you from each other. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.